Who will be more hurt if you insist on not sleeping in the same room for a month? You may not know these things. Let's talk about something today, a story about love, loss and growth. This is a sad topic. After all, this is not only my story, but also yours. In this fast-paced society, the relationship between people is becoming more and more complicated, especially between couples. Sometimes, the intimate little life makes people feel as far away as the stars in the sky. Many times, the lack of sex life is like an invisible stone, which makes people breathless. Next, let's take a look at the story of this couple and understand their pain and struggle in love. The sunshine of love has disappeared. There is an old saying, love is the sunshine of life. But once this sunshine is gone, what will our world become? Life is full of trivialities and difficulties, and the distance between partners, like the cold weather, makes the flame of love gradually become weak or even extinguished. For the couple we are going to talk about today, a month without intimate contact made them start to re-examine their relationship. Physical suffering. Let's talk about it from a physiological perspective first. For men, not having sex for a long time is not just a simple, no need for that. While the body is uncomfortable, the mind is also uncomfortable. Think about it, the congestion of the prostate, coupled with the accumulation of semen, the man who should have been full of energy, is slowly tortured by anxiety and mood swings. Over time, self-confidence also drops, as if he has become a waste. Women are not much better. Vaginal dryness, reduced secretions, and lack of intimate contact affect their physical health. As a result, they naturally start to have all kinds of negative thoughts in their minds, thinking that they are not good enough and not attractive enough for their partners. As a result, this self-doubt reinforces their inner loneliness and stress. The distance between the soul. In this lack of intimacy, the couple both silently endure their own pain. The man often feels inferior and uncertain because of the lack of sex life and cannot raise his head in front of his partner. The woman is like spinning in a whirlpool of loneliness, longing for love and care, but has no place to vent. Over time, a gap has arisen between the two, and communication has naturally become more difficult. The importance of communication. In such an environment, if there is no communication, it is really worrying. We always think that we know each other, but in fact we often neglect to express our true feelings directly. Keeping an open attitude and bravely saying what you want is the key to avoiding misunderstandings. For example, when a wife starts to complain about the lack of intimacy, the husband must listen immediately, not pretend not to hear, and don't evade responsibility. Effective communication can help the couple rebuild their understanding. Sometimes, a deep conversation, talking about each other's feelings and sharing those little secrets hidden in the heart can find a solution to the problem. Although the conversation process may feel a little awkward, it is an important step to rebuild trust and enhance understanding. How to adjust and respond. So, if you are in this situation, what should you do? First, stay calm and don't get angry over trivial matters. Instead of blaming each other, it is better to be open and honest, express your needs and feelings, and find a common solution. Practice doing fun things together, like watching a movie together or cooking a meal together. These little things can add warmth to everyday life. Communicate more, understand each other's hearts more, and create a safe and comfortable space where both parties can share their feelings without worry. If the situation doesn't improve, consider seeking help from a professional, such as a counselor. They can provide objective and neutral advice to help your partner see the problem more clearly and find a suitable solution. Move on. Life has to go on, doesn't it? The old saying just mentioned reminds us that love is the sunshine of life. No matter how difficult life is, we have to cherish each other and maintain a harmonious relationship. Everyone's emotional needs and physical conditions are unique, and there is no universal standard. Only understanding, tolerance, and communication can solve every twist and turn in life. In this fast-paced era, Don't let love slip away imperceptibly. Learn to grasp every moment in life and cherish the precious love with your heart. Looking back, love may have always been around, but we need to open our eyes again to discover its light.